The Stoic Shakedown is your source for hacks, methods, systems, and tricks from the Stoic philosophy to level up you and your life. Through articles, conversations, and lectures, we will explore creating a life of depth and meaning using the wisdom passed down through the ages from Cato, Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, and Seneca. Hit the subscribe button for weekly videos on Stoic wisdom. In this video, we will explore how Stoic principles can be applied to recovery from drug and alcohol addiction. Let's jump right in. The Stoic philosophy emerged in Greece in the 3rd century BC and was founded by Zeno of Citium. The philosophy emphasizes the importance of reason, self-control, and the acceptance of fate. These principles are particularly relevant to individuals in recovery from drug and alcohol addiction, as they can help to provide a sense of purpose and direction in the face of a difficult and challenging journey. One of the key aspects of Stoicism that is relevant to addiction recovery is the emphasis on self-control. Epictetus, one of the most famous Stoics, emphasized the importance of developing self-control in order to overcome the challenges of life. He argued that individuals should focus on what they can control, rather than becoming preoccupied with things that are beyond their control. In the context of addiction, this means focusing on developing the self-control necessary to resist the temptation to use drugs and alcohol. Similarly, Marcus Aurelius, another famous Stoic, emphasized the importance of accepting the challenges of life and finding meaning in difficult situations. He argued that individuals should not be discouraged by setbacks, but should instead use them as opportunities for growth and learning. In the context of addiction recovery, this means accepting that there will be challenges and setbacks, but using them as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than becoming discouraged and giving up. Modern Stoics have also emphasized the relevance of the philosophy to addiction recovery. William B. Irvine, author of A Guide to the Good Life, The Ancient Art of Stoic Joy, argues that Stoicism can be a powerful tool for individuals seeking to overcome addiction. He suggests that the philosophy can help individuals to develop the self-control necessary to resist the temptation to use drugs and alcohol, and to find meaning and purpose in their recovery journey. There are a number of Stoic exercises that can help people in recovery bolster their program. Here are a few suggestions to help you get started. Intention setting. This exercise involves setting clear and specific recovery goals that align with one's values, such as staying sober for a specific period, repairing damaged relationships, or finding purpose in life. Goals should be specific, measurable, and realistic to track progress and stay motivated. Writing down intentions and regularly reviewing them promotes accountability. Celebrating small victories along the way provides a sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue the recovery journey. Daily journaling is a Stoic exercise that involves writing down one's thoughts and feelings on a daily basis. It can be a helpful tool for individuals in recovery from drugs and alcohol, as it allows them to reflect on their emotions, track their progress, and identify triggers that may lead to relapse. To start journaling, individuals should set aside a few minutes each day to write down their thoughts and feelings about their recovery journey. This may include their successes, challenges, and any insights they have gained along the way. Journaling can also be a way to process emotions that may be difficult to express verbally or to share with others. Practicing gratitude involves focusing on the positive aspects of one's life and expressing thankfulness for them. This Stoic exercise can help those in addiction recovery find purpose and positivity. Regular gratitude practice involves identifying things to be grateful for, such as support from loved ones, sobriety, or simple pleasures. Research has shown that gratitude can benefit mental health and well-being, with studies finding lower stress, depression, and anxiety and higher happiness and life satisfaction in individuals who practice it regularly. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time.